In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use the flashlight in Violence District on Roblox. Intro. Now, first things first, you do need to be in the lobby and you need to equip it first. So, of course, just hit little inventory right here. Make sure you have the flashlight as your item and you can just drag it in or select it and then select it from here. You can always search for it as well. And of course, you get it from the shop. Now, whenever you're in a match, you just need to select the flashlight from your inventory, aim it directly at the killer, and then activate it while keeping the beam on the killer's face to essentially build up the blind. Now, the flashlight works faster at a close range, but of course you can use it while the killer is breaking a pallet to temporarily blind them and escape. You can also use it during a chase to interfere with the killer's basic attack and make it harder for them to hit you, but that's the full process. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.